Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 22nd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Next week is Celebrate Literacy Week at the elementary campus. There are lots of fun activities planned. On Monday, January 25th, it's Hats Off for Reading. Please wear a hat. Tuesday is Tackle a Good Book. Please wear a sports jersey. Wednesday is Words Give You Power. Wear a superhero shirt. Thursday is Throwback Thursday. Teachers will share a favorite childhood book. Friday is Favorite Book Friday. Students should bring in their favorite book to share with their friends. There will also be a door decorating contest, and we will have Drop Everything and Read every day that week. Re-enrollment packets are due on Friday, January 29th. Charter school students are required to fill out a new re-enrollment packet every single year. After next Friday, we will open up enrollment to new students, and you may have to be entered into a lottery to attend the school. Please check your email for the packet, or parents of distance learning students that don't have a printer can come up to the school to pick up a packet. The elementary campus is open until 6:30 p.m. each day, and the secondary campus will be open till 5 o'clock p.m. Please make sure to get those packets back to us right away. Monday, February 1st is a teacher workday. No school for students. Please make sure you've completed free and reduced lunch forms for your students if you've not already done so. This year, every student was automatically accepted. However, in order to qualify for next school year, forms must be completed by February 12th. In addition to free or low-priced meals, students can now qualify for additional assistance including tutoring program, eyeglasses, SAT testing, summer camps, college application, and scholarships. PBMA receives funding based upon these forms for additional staff and materials. Please complete the form even if you think your family does not qualify. The link to the form can be found on our website under the Parents tab to Forms and Links to Food Services. On this Monday, January 25th, the secondary campus is having a tree planting ceremony to celebrate the life of Mr. Bofici. Here's Mr. Andropon to tell us all about it.
Hello, PBMA. I'm here to share some exciting news.
Many of you have asked when we were going to do something in memory of Mr. Bofici. Due to our current situation, we have been limited on what we could do. This coming Monday, January 25th at 10 a.m., we will be having a tree planting dedication event in honor of Mr. Bofici. The event will be approximately 45 minutes and will be a social distance event. Like Mr. Bofici, who was no ordinary character, the kapok tree that is being planted is a seeding from the 186-year-old kapok tree that is next to the Flagler Museum in Palm Beach. The tree is being donated and planted by Community Greening, a local nonprofit that you will learn more about at the event. I hope to see you at this social distance event in memory of Mr. Bofici. Again, it will take place on Monday, January 25th at 10 a.m.
I will have photos and video from the ceremony in next week's weekly update. Students are encouraged to bring a water bottle to school each day since our water fountains are disabled due to the virus. Soon we will sell these cool reusable water bottles for students and staff on both campuses. Details will be coming soon. We will also sell beautiful wood roses for Valentine's Day at both our elementary and secondary campuses. They look amazingly real and they will last forever. I will have more details in next week's video. And finally, here are the Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.